Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel Learn with Shihab, and I am your host Mohammad Shihabuddin. Today I'm gonna show you how to download Amazon product videos without any extension or sites. So first of all, I'm gonna go on Amazon.com, just Amazon.com. Um, just I'm looking for any random item, suppose a laptop, a stand, or decks. Okay. You can search any kind of product here which you want to download, and just here you can see a product. Click here we can see some still pictures, and then last one is videos. Just click on it. Wait few seconds for loading. Here this video is now complete. Here this is this video. Just click right button, then just click right button on your mouse, and you can see inspect, and just click on it. Wait few seconds, then you can see this interface. When you see this interface, let be your mouse free. Okay, then click press Ctrl F on your keyboard. Just Ctrl F, then you can see a find box or search box here. Just type mp4. When you type mp4, over here you can see mp4 text will be highlighted, then you can see a link also here srcql https. You have to just double click on this and copy this link, and go on a new tab and paste this link. When you paste, you can see the same videos here. You have to click on three dot and click download. When you click download, you can see this video will start downloading for you. Wait few seconds for downloading this video. Okay, this video is now complete downloading. Just click show in folder. Here you can see this video is in my computer now, so I can use this video now I can use this video anywhere I want. So this is my tutorial how to download Amazon product videos, so you can use this system easily. Hope you guys enjoy this video. If you guys have any question, you can comment below. See you on my next video. Have a nice day.